Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, I'll show you how easy is it to list your property on Homeyhuts using the mobile app. Before you begin, please update the Homeyhuts app to the latest version for the best results. First, open the Homeyhuts app, tap into the menu section in the bottom corner, and if you're new here, tap Sign Up to create your account. For returning users, just log in. Once you have logged in, you'll need to verify your profile with Aadhaar card. You can verify your profile in this account verification tab. This important step helps us to ensure a safe and trusted community for everyone. After your profile is verified, come back to the menu and tap on to Create New Listing. You'll see our hosting agreement here. Please take a moment to read it, and if you agree, tap on to Next to begin your listing journey. Now, let's build your listing step by step. Firstly, tell us about your property type. Is it a homestay, a chalet, a campsite, or a unique stay? Select your property type and tap on to Next. Remember, our portal is designed for unique homestay style properties and not for standard hotels. Here, select if it is a private or a shared space. Then tell us your role. Are you the owner, manager, or an agent? Then enter your property's exact address. Next, add your photos. You can also rearrange them to create a better first impression for the guest. Next, upload your property documents here. Now, provide the core details here, like the number of beds, bedrooms, bathrooms, and the maximum number of guests allowed. Then, select all the amenities that you offer. You can scroll down to add even more options. Once you're done, let everyone know what makes your place unique. You can select up to 4 special features here. Next, you can select any local experiences that you might offer. Now, let's make it inviting. Write a catchy title and a warm description that captures the feeling of your place. Next, you can also add some helpful neighborhood information in. Next, it's time to set your pricing. Then, select your preferred check-in and check-out time. We take safety and transparency seriously. Please select yes or no if you have security cameras on the property. Here, you can choose to turn instant look on or off. Then, review your cancellation policy. You're almost there. Now, add your house rules to set clear expectations for your guest. Then, provide your check-in instructions. We have a pre-filled template ready for you. You just have to add your details. Finally, take a moment to preview everything. Then tap on to Finish to submit. And that's it. Your property will be forwarded to our verification team. Once approved, it will go live within the same day. Now, what if you need to change something or add a detail you missed? You can always edit your listing, whether your property is live or still being verified. Just go to the menu section, select the Host Control Center, and then Manage Property. Here, you'll see a list of all your listings. Just tap on the one you want to edit. And that's all there is to it. Listing your property is that simple and easy. It hardly takes 10 minutes to get done. Thank you for choosing Homeyhuts to host your incredible space. We can't wait to see what you list. For any questions, you can always reach out to our support team from the Contact Us option. Happy hosting!